Alright, after 50 million takes, here we go. Hi, welcome to Insider Account. My name is Nick. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Birmingham. That sounded like some take me out type of intro, yeah. Is your lights on or lights off or whatever it is? But anyway, why are we here? Why am I here? This channel is about my ACCA, CIMA, ACCA accounting introduction video to me documenting my journey as a student. And for those of you who don't know, ACCA stands for Associated. Don't even know myself, dog. Like 1 second.
A few moments later.
I should really know this, shouldn't I? ACCA. Oh, it was right there.
Well, we're waiting.
Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. I have 7 exams left to do. I have 13. I have 6 exemptions. And basically in another video I'll explain how to get started with ACCA, sort of the requirements, different options you can do, different study options. From there I'll be talking about my topics. So in December I'll be sitting PM, which is performance management. I'm sitting this bad boy here, all about costing, management accounts and stuff like that. That's basically what this channel is about. So I'm going to be doing that for all exams. I have PM to sit, I have FM, which is financial management, I have FR to sit as well, which is financial reporting, and I have the other tier, the other 4 to do. So I've finished applied knowledge. This is applied skill, and then the other one is professionalism or something like that. But in terms of background about me, I went to Sheffield Hallam University. I did a degree in forensic accounting. So not really your bog standard financial accounting. If you think there's standard accounting, then there's forensic accounting. Now, for people who don't know what forensic accounting is, I'll give you an illustration. Well, not an illustration, I'll give you an example. An example of forensic accounting is when a building burns down, for example, a business. A business would employ, potentially, insurer who may require the need for a forensic accountant to come in and find out, had the building not burnt down, how much money would have been made in that. So basically, how much did we lose from the building burning down? That could be not a fault of your own, for example. So if the building burned down, it wasn't your fault, the insurance would figure out how much, and they would take into consideration competitors, the market of ratio. And so for example, if it's a chippy, did you have a competitor around the corner, or do people in the area love the chippy? Do you love to eat fish and chips? I personally don't, but that's when a forensic accountant will come in and say, okay, for the past, they look at historic and future forecasts. So it's to do £700 in sales, then in 2018, £700 in 2019. So in September we're expected to do 700. So you would expect them, if they burn out in September, you would expect them to do 700. But say for example, they did in 2018 September they did 600. Then 2019 September they did 500. Then 2020 it will be difficult to kind of figure out. You'd have to do like a middle ground of the two. Scenario, for example, is say if they did 400, then the next year they did 500. So in the year that it burned down, you kind of expect them to go up to 600. You know, that following that incremental £100 increase every year. So that's basically what forensic accounting would do. It would come in, and the forensic in accounting. So forensic accounting, the forensic means just being able to present evidence as an expert witness in court. That's all that means. So you're an expert witness. Your word holds weight. Really important that you know what you're talking about. So to be a forensic accountant, you kind of have to have experience. Hence why I'm doing ACCA. Or you have to have experience in accounting. Hence why I'm doing ACCA. But it's a lot of report writing, which people don't realize. It's not really maths based. It's a lot of 10,000 word reports, because you have to write what you're saying and actually back them up with valid, sound arguments to why you think this company should get what they're getting. Occupation that a forensic accountant might do is look at the fraud side. So someone who's money laundering, tax evading, some of the sort, they could potentially get a forensic accountant and look at their books. They can also get an auditor. So kind of like auditing and forensic accounting are quite similar in that way, whereas audits is a little bit different. Yeah, essentially the different roles. So the aim of this channel is to get you to understand what it's like to be an ACCA student, and try and be transparent with my studying, with my results, whether I pass or fail. I'm going to be completely honest about my grades and stuff like that. So if I get 50%, hey, I passed, but I'll say I get 50%. If I got 49, I'll be like, if I got 30%, I'll be like, listen, I failed, I need to work harder, there's things I didn't understand, etc. Hopefully that's not the case. I want to pass it first time, but these are the things I'm going to be talking about. With my company that I'm doing it with, I'll go do that in another video, but the company that I'm doing it with, they have sort of masterclasses. So my first masterclass is just talking about the purpose of costing, types of standard costing, what?
Say what?
Purpose for standard costing. I feel like I already said that, I don't know. But yeah, this video, this channel is just to give you an idea of what it's like to be an ACCA student. I work as a financial management assistant. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, DVE Knight. Any suggestion is welcome. If you want to tell me about your journey, your personal journey, I'll try to incorporate in my videos, etc. So use me as a guinea pig to see if this is a course that you really want to do. But yeah, I hope you have a good one, and catch you in a few. Alright, after 50 million takes. What'd you say? Well, you just did, yeah. It's alright. Yeah?